Hi, my name is Brechtje. Welcome at Estona Tutorials. I can't help it, but I'm a Durston girl. Before I am going to continue with this tool review, I do want you to know that I am in no way being paid to say so or to promote Durston tools. It truly is a brand that I support because I think that they provide high quality tools. So I am very happy that I am the first person to announce to you the Durston rolling mill, the Olivia, and you can see all about her in this tutorial. And here it is, guys. I am super excited. This is the new Durston rolling mill, the Olivia C130RE, and I'm going to open it up. And it's so cool because this is a top secret rolling mill, hence the stickers. And this is the very first one to leave Durston, and this one went all the way to the Netherlands to my workshop, so I am very honored to open it up and to give you the first view of their new product. And this is going to be the hardest part of all. I am going to have to read this manual before I can open up the box and get my rolling mill out there. As always, Durston is spot on with everything from packaging, manuals, whatever it is that you need, you will find in this box without a doubt. I am going to read this and then we are going to unpack the mill because I'm way too curious to wait any longer. It clearly states in the manual that you should be with 2 persons to open this up. I am just by myself here, so I cut these 2 lines here and I am going to open it up like this. And for me this is the first look as well. I haven't seen anything that's in here. Whoa, that's really heavy. And just take a look here. This is one hefty piece of machinery. Let's open up these boxes to see what's inside. Oh, this must be the handle for the hand wheel. Oh, whoa. So, this is really heavy. Whoa, wow, this is awesome. And here you can see the difference in size between the Olivia, that's the new rolling mill, and my own little rolling mill that I have been using so far. I'm going to unbolt this one and put this one in that place, and then we can put it together. What I already love about this machine is that I can sit down while operating this. And with the normal rolling mills, you have to stand up and you really have to turn the lever, go down, come up, go down. And with this one, I can stay in one place. But now let's see if this rolling mill can do the job. Let's test out Olivia with this little piece of annealed silver. And I'm going to start here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces to make a square or an octagon wire. And I wanted to show you what's happening here. I am putting my silver through the rolling mill. And I do have to turn this more often. But I barely have to apply any force. And just take a look at how clean this result is. I am going to challenge the Olivia a bit. This is quite hard now, but I'm still going to put it through the rolling mill to see what happens if I have to apply a bit more force. And normally you wouldn't do this because you would anneal, but I am curious to see if I have to apply more force on this part here, and I do. So it's a great workout as well, but it's not nearly as heavy as using the normal lever would be. And again, just look at this, how sharp it is. Kudos to you, Durston. A quick resume in between filming. Maybe you are not aware that I have been having back problems. Why would you? But that is the case. And as I stated to Durston, for me, milling is killing because it really puts a strain on your back if you have to bend over, go up with the lever, go down again. You are standing very uncomfortably. So for me, this truly is an awesome machine. Let's roll out a flat plate to see how that result looks. I'm going to stop the rolling mill just to show you how easy it is to turn this one. And that's it. And now I closed it up quite a bit, so I have to put a bit more force into this, but still it's very doable. I annealed this silver bar that we made before, and let's see if this part works as nicely as well. I hope that you can see that this is a beautiful piece of half-rounded wire or D-shaped wire, and these are the things you can do with your rolling mill. As you know, I have been gifted this product from Durston, but I can still say whatever I want, wouldn't have it any other way. But there's just nothing to say that isn't okay about this machine, because it is a dream for any metalsmith. It's big, it's sturdy. I am looking at it and I just start to smile. The hand wheel is awesome. So for me, that is going to save me from a lot of pain in my back. From the packaging, the manual, the shipping, nothing gets by them, and they really provide premium tools. So Durston, you can be very proud of yourself and of the Olivia. Thank you so much for sending it to me to test it out. I enjoyed it, and I am very certain that I am going to enjoy it much longer. For me, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear what you think about the Olivia, and I'm very curious to see which rolling mill you are using currently, and if it's a Durston, and what your experience with Durston is, and maybe that can help out other viewers. To conclude, there is an affiliate link in the description below. Again, it's not a paid one, but every time someone orders something at Durston through my link, which is durston.com/Estona, I receive a small bonus. And of course, that's always nice because then I can tape more videos for you. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself. And Durston, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And I hope to see you again at the next Estona tutorials.